Mom, what are you cooking?
Sea cucumber.
Wow, sea cucumber. Look at this. Got some chestnuts, red carrots, mushrooms, and sea cucumber. Wow, that looks delicious. Can't wait. Let's see what we're having for lunch today. Oh, that's that cucumber dish that my mom is preparing. Hot some guy.
嗰啲海參嘅咩
？Steamed chicken.
啲廿三海參傻
Yes,
嘅，
mussel
唔係
tofu,
你爛白
vegetables.
白。
Oh, they're the same dish. And then some shrimp. This is for the
咁都
chicken.
仲唔係咁啊？跟住嗰啲海參又辣咁嘅。海參。
Alright, we're getting ready to make pot sticker today. So here's the small one, and here's the big one. Which one will you use, Mom? There's some pot sticker meat in here, or wonton meat. What's in here, Mom?
Beef and shrimp.
Beef, shrimp, and
Egg.
celery, egg,
Cabbage.
Okay, we have some shells right here, wonton skin. Just lay it down like that. Of course, one piece. Alright, we have the skin separated. First you lay it down.
Some people make the skin by itself.
And then we'll pick a nice big scoop of the pot sticker meat. Lay it down in the middle. Make it look pretty. And my mom adding some water. You can also use egg too. And then fold it in. Alright, let's see how it turns out. Wow. Okay, take it apart. Okay, and that's one. Wow, beautiful. Take it out. Beautiful. Another beautiful pot sticker. Wow. Beautiful. We're at Pan Asia. Look at $3.99 sugar cane. We're gonna buy one. Haven't eaten sugar cane in a long time, since 2019 I think, when I was in China. Let's pick out this one. Pick the biggest one. Look at that. Mom already cleaned it for me, chopped it up because I was busy. So juicy. I love it. Sugarcane, one of my favorite fruits. Oh, Ma, what do you have right here? Ooh, wee, do you make this yourself? Is this a steam bun or mantou? Open one up, my Mom, so we can see. Đậu xá. Oh, my mom. Let's see what she put in the middle. Open it up. Let's see what's in the middle. Oh wow, so it's taro and red bean all mixed in.
Very beautiful.
This, wow. Let me give it a try. Mmm. Pretty tasty. Ooh. The sweetness hitting me. It's good, Mom, it's good. What are you making today, Mom? That looks like porridge. And is that taro? And half of a chicken? I've never tried this. Taro and chicken porridge. We're gonna see how this turns out. Wow, Mom, it looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. Wow, look at this. My aunt just made this Daikon pancake. Let's go ahead and try it. It's got daikon. I think it's got Chinese sausage and some onions, green onions. Let me try that. Look at that. Mmm, delicious. So today is my turn to cook dinner. We're still a little bit full from a big lunch, so let's see what I have inside this pot. Got some beef, kale, and red carrots. I love kale, and my dad needs to eat more green vegetables because he has high cholesterol. It's easy, it's delicious, and it's healthy. Mom, what are you making?
Look at Daikon Pancake.
Oh,
Cake.
Mom's making the white carrot, otherwise known as Daikon Pancake. See, you got some salted baby shrimp and a Chinese salted sausage, and plenty of daikon. My mom added some water and some flour. It looks like almost like New England clam chowder. Let's see how this turns out. Oh wow, look at how beautiful these turned out. My mom put some sesame over there too. Oh wee, can't wait to dig into these. Mom, let me get this piece right here. Yeah, that looks like a proper piece right here. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. Wow. Open your mouth. So delicious. So today I'm making a simple stir fry of white onion and sugar snap peas, my favorite. This is going to be healthy and delicious. Sugar snap peas, I love the crunchiness, and also the sweetness factor. Adding in some onions with some extra health benefit. It's going to be a delicious mix. Yalla! Mom and Dad, dinner's ready. We're having hot pot again. Got some baby octopus. We got some vegetables. Let's put some fish fillet in there. Got some fish balls right there too. We're watching Legend of the Condor Heroes 2017. Oh yeah, look at that. Pollock fish balls. Yeah, right there. Potato glass noodles. Okay, Mom, put some in there. I want to try it. Put some of that in there, Mom. We have some mussels in here from Aldi. Wow, looks delicious, Mom. Oh, I'm feeling a little bit hungry. Let's try this Chamois egg yolk pies. I believe it's a kind of moon cake. Oh wow, Mom, you already ate most of these. Ooh, let me cut into this. It's got black sesame on top too. Wow, look how big this yolk is. Look at this, Mom. Oh wait, that's good stuff right there. Look at this. Just like the picture too. Let me taste it. Mmm. Right amount of sweetness. That yolk is perfect. Wow. Go get yours today. Looks like my mom is making another delicious Chinese delicacy. Cantonese is called 煎堆, 國語點講? Or sweet fried dumpling.
麻花.
In Mandarin it's called ma fa. So here she's using some glutinous rice flour, which she's added water into a nice dough texture mix. Now she's kneading the dough. How it becomes soft. Now my mom is preparing this sweet bean jam, dao sa. I think it's made of red beans. See that? Now my mom is adding sweetened coconut to the bean mix, sweet bean mix. Mix it in real good. Now my mom added some sunflower kernels, roasted salted. Oh wow, Mom. It turned out beautiful. Frying in vegetable oil. For how long? 5 minutes? About 5 or 6 minutes? Yeah, let me try this one.
一定要有成就感。弟兄姊妹，当然今天跟世界上的教育可能是不见得一样。主耶稣在这里教我们的是，若有人要跟从我，就当舍己。
Good, Mom. Celery stir fry featuring Chinese celery and American celery with Chinese bean curd, fermented bean curd. It's a great combination for a salty fermented taste. We either use this or shrimp paste. Delicious. Ooh, we got some steamed fish too. Lunch is ready. Come get it. Oh, it looks like my mom is pan frying this, I think, large carp. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, that's beautiful. See this one. Wow, beautiful. Look at the texture. Fluffy. Hey, let's see what's for breakfast today. Oh my goodness, my mom outdone herself again. Look at this huge pot of porridge. So let's see what the ingredients are. There is minced fish, taro. Looks like she threw in a piece of bone for flavor. Pork bone, I think. Or chicken bone, I meant. Red carrots. And the small rice along with the regular size rice. Wow. Let's see how this apple cider vinegar and salt, pink sea salt wings turns out this time. And I even tried it. I'm trying it with a turkey wing. Okay, it's done. Let's see how it turned out. Oh wow, look at that texture. Wow, it smells delicious. Look at how it turned out. Wow, let's see all the food we have today. Look at this. chow mein, barbecue pork, shrimp, hot curry.
Alright.
Look at this. My mom made this. Wow, it looks beautiful. Strawberry, kiwi, blueberry.
他是9岁是不是？9.
Wow.
Evan and Timmy.
Wow.
一小块一小块的。